Hey there, it's me again, Bad Beauty Lighting, also known as BBL. Huh? I'm the white fluorescent lighting that makes you overdo it on your bronzer. The yellow lighting that makes you completely miss spots altogether. Oopsie daisy, we'll just pretend like that pimple isn't there. It is, it's huge. Also, the lack of lighting that prevents you to know when you should really put that blush brush down so you don't look like Aunt Sue in your family's holiday photos this year. With me around, you'll likely be sporting cake face and skeletal contouring during your Christmas party Zoom call. Don't women know that they need natural daylight to end me? Apparently not. That's why Fancii created natural daylight LED mirrors to mimic sunlight so that people like you can have an accurate reflection of your face so you can have perfect makeup anytime and anywhere. Ah! Ho, ho, horrible! Horrible. Horrible, I say. This is the BBL gift box, going for $29.95, by the way. These sunglasses are not